today for the Bitcoin price. And yes, guys, something I was talking about yesterday in the video from a few hours ago is exactly unfolding as we were predicting it in the Bitcoin charts right now. I want to talk about this specific pattern, which is going to break within the next few hours. Let me repeat that. It is going to break within the next few hours. And I will tell you exactly what I think, where it is going to break out, what price targets, and what this means for the question whether we are in a bull market or in a bear market right now. Make sure you watch this video until the very end. I'm actually just having a walk here. I parked my car because I thought this is a very questionable building here. And it's like with these red bottoms, you know, when there's a red bottom and they tell you don't press, this is the one you want to press. Well, when I see a questionable house like that, I want to walk into it. I didn't do it so far. In the end of the video, I will do it with you together if you smash up the like button. Now let's focus on the Bitcoin price. Let's focus. Important stuff, guys. What we are talking about here is the Bitcoin price on the 4-hourly candles. And as you can see, Bitcoin was basically held down by this downward sloping resistance recently. In the moment we broke it, we now formed this symmetrical triangle. And as you remember, yesterday I was at this retest telling you, if we are furthermore getting rejected and getting a bounce here, then we are probably forming a symmetrical triangle. This is exactly what was happening so far. You know what, guys? Let me show you this little clip here from just a few hours ago where I was predicting this scenario to come into place. Look at this. And if Bitcoin actually, and this is the kind of good news, hopefully, if Bitcoin is getting a support here before we are actually breaking this low, this could be considered a bullish turnaround, because in the end of the day, there could be a potential trend line approximately unfolding right here. So if Bitcoin is getting supported there, maybe we are going to form something like a symmetrical triangle there, but it is way too early to tell. Definitely way too early to tell, but this could be a symmetrical triangle anytime in the future. And as you can see, Bitcoin went down and got supported here, and right now we have the third touch point and finally this symmetrical triangle unfolding. Now the question is, where is Bitcoin going to go in the immediate short term? Well, as you can see, which is giving a little bit more gunpowder into the bearish scenario, is that the EMA ribbon on the 4-hourly is actually holding us down. Here you can see the different EMAs forming the ribbon, and Bitcoin was recently rejected not only by the downward sloping trend line but also by the EMA ribbon, which furthermore validates that we are still in a bear trend with continuously lower lows but at least higher lower highs, and but at least higher lows as well. So right now it is crucial for Bitcoin not only to hold the upward sloping trend line, and I will tell you exactly my price targets as well. No, we need to break the 4-hourly ribbon, and we need to break the resistance approximately at $38,800 if Bitcoin, and guys, honestly, I'm sad to tell you so, it's not the most likely scenario, but if Bitcoin were to break the downward sloping trend line, let me quickly show you my specific price target, my more or less conservative price target, not so conservative. By the way, guys, I almost forgot to talk about this here. We have $5,800 in the pinned comment down below. If you just go to the very first comment in the comment section down below and you search for the verified checkmark account MMCrypto, you will find a $5,810 bonus I have put together for you here on Bybit, Phemex, and also on Binance Futures. If you click these links after your initial deposit, you make your account takes like 10 seconds after your initial deposit, you get $5,810 completely for free. Click the link, step number 1, then make your own account, step number 2, and after your initial deposit you get this bonus, and you can take advantage with that bonus on a trade, for example, even if you leave your money on the sidelines, your own money, and only trade the bonus. This at the 20x leverage alone is already a $120,000 trade for free. So make sure to take advantage of that, of course, as an experienced trader, in the pinned comment down below. But this would be $52,000. However, the problem with this is, so far we are in a downtrend, and the trend is your friend until the end. So only when Bitcoin creates a higher low, breaks the resistance and turns the 4-hourly ribbon, we would break the trend. Otherwise the bearish trend is our friend, and the more likely scenario would be a breakdown to 22,500. Why do I personally think that 22,500 sounds extremely crazy, but it is at least in the range of possibilities, and I am still bullish in terms of the question whether we are in a bull market or not, guys. This didn't change yet, but I have some it's not like just black and white. I talked about that in the recent videos, but what you can see here is if Bitcoin were to break the previous support, well, there is a lot of thin air below us, actually. I have to zoom out a little bit more to actually show you. Here you can see it. So right now, Bitcoin is at this zoom, not at the point of control, but like almost at a high traffic area. If Bitcoin were to break the support here, well, there is a lot of thin air. There is not much volume traded. So it is extremely crucial for Bitcoin to hold this level. It is extremely crucial for Bitcoin not to close below the downward sloping support, guys. This is very, very important. And also, let me know what you think right now. Let me quickly go back. Let me know what you think right now. Are we going to break out or are we going to break down? So far, all the media landscape is actually bearish. Most of the people are bearish. Many people are predicting 20,000. This gives me at least a little bit of a hint that maybe the bullish scenario is not that unlikely, not as unlikely as we all think. Personally, before, you know how I was basically predicting, and I was not saying it's the most likely scenario, but I was talking about this here. And let me quickly go to the daily candles about the Wyckoff accumulation pattern. I saw so many viral videos, but go and fact check it yourself. I think I was the first one talking about it. And I was from day one saying, my worst case scenario is 30,000 for Bitcoin down to the Elon buy zone. This is exactly what happened. I got so many subscribers because of that. Thank you so much for your trust, guys. Thank you so much for your support. So personally, my worst case scenario is already hit. Let me know what you think about that. And I want to see a new all-time high on that video, guys, please, because now I am doing what I shouldn't do. I go into the most questionable building I have seen since ages. And the thing is, I am bare feet, so I have to take care a little bit. But I promised it to you, right? So I promise you, I didn't walk in so far. This looks dangerous. Maybe I shouldn't do that. What the heck? I have to watch out for needles. So I will be a little bit more careful here. Look at this, there's glass. Jeez. Okay. Don't do that at home, guys. Don't do that at home. But this is what I was expecting. This is why I did it. How amazing is this, guys? How amazing is this? And it doesn't really matter. Nature is everywhere, even if you are in Iceland or so. If you think the price is dumping, everything is falling on your head, just go outside. Enjoy, whether it's the sea, whether it's the forest, whether it's even a city, whether it's a park. There's always something to enjoy, because happiness and fulfillment comes not from materialistic things. It comes not from the gains you are making on Bitcoin. It always comes from the inside. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see each other very soon. I have to be so careful at the next one of MMCrypto. And as always, guys, as always, bye-bye.